What are the health benefits of chicken liver? Chicken liver is rich in several nutrients, including protein, niacin, and phosphorus, making it a healthy dietary choice for most people. Some of the specific benefits of chicken liver include the treatment of anemia, the promotion of healthy skin, and prevention of some types of thyroid dysfunction. This nutrient-dense food may help to lower cholesterol levels and support optimum functioning of the adrenal glands. Some studies have indicated that chicken liver may help to boost testosterone and help increase endurance among athletes or bodybuilders. As a high-protein food, there are several potential health benefits of chicken liver. Protein helps build and strengthen skin, hair, and other tissues of the body. This nutrient also helps to increase energy levels and is a popular choice among those who abide by a low-carbohydrate, high-protein diet. Additional benefits of chicken liver include the prevention or treatment of iron deficiency anemia, as well as the support of immune system functioning. These benefits are attributed to the high levels of iron found in organ meats such as chicken liver. Those who are pregnant or who have a history of anemia may strongly benefit from adding this food to the thyroid. Support is among the potential pros of chicken liver. Significant amounts of a nutrient known as selenium are found in chicken liver and have been shown to play an important role in the regulation of thyroid hormones. Selenium is also thought to help prevent some forms of cancer and may provide relief for those with medical conditions such as arthritis or chronic fatigue syndrome. Cardiovascular benefits of chicken liver may include a reduction in harmful cholesterol levels as well as an increase in the healthy types of cholesterol. The vitamin B12 found in this food is thought to promote healthy blood cell growth and supply the body with energy. This vitamin may be particularly beneficial to those who suffer from pernicious anemia, a condition caused by inadequate amounts of B12. The adrenal glands are responsible for producing and secreting a variety of hormones, including those necessary for optimum reproductive health. Improving the effectiveness of the adrenal glands may also help the body cope with stress more easily due to the release of a stress-relieving hormone known as cortisol. The pantothenic acid found in chicken liver may help these glands function more effectively. It may also serve to increase testosterone levels, thus improving male fertility as well as increasing strength and endurance.